I'll start by creating a new photo collection. So you can think of this as an event such as a wedding, birthday, graduation, or vacation. So for example, we'll put vacation 2026. So now I will upload some photos into the collection. Now let me run the AI analysis. So basically what's happening in the background is first the image analysis agent sends each uploaded image into the Gemini Vision. Then it understands what's in the image and generates like a structured metadata that includes captions, tags, detected objects, scene information, and other details. So then next, this quality check agent would evaluate each image and assign a quality score based on factors like lighting, sharpness, compositions that was sent by the Gemini Vision. And then the caption generated agent would expose the generated captions and semantic tags so that they can be reused throughout the application. And after that, the duplicate find agent would use image hashing to identify visually similar pictures. And then the album create agent would group related photos into smart albums using the metadata that was generated during the image analysis. And finally, the read plan agent would demonstrate collection level AI reasoning so that it selects the highest quality non-duplicate photos. And only the structured metadata will be sent to Gemini using the reusable AI agent scale. And it would create like a highlight reel plan with the title, story arc, recommended photo, sequence, overlay text, music mode, transition, and things like that. So now that the analysis is complete, let's look at the results. So you can see that each of the pictures have been given a quality number. So since that is a blurred image, they have been given a lesser sharpness rating, and it has been detected as a blur image, and it has been given tags like night, city, skyline, and urban, these kind of tags. So if you go into this image, since it's a good quality image, you can see sharpness is 90%, composition 9%, lighting 90%, and it has been given tags like, and here also it has been given like 90%, and tags like friends, laughter, party, outdoor. So if you go inside the smart albums, you can see that there are two types of albums. And in the first one, it's being divided as metropolitan, cityscape, build, body of water. And if you check the second one, it has been grouped as friends, family, guests, and group. If you go inside duplicate, you see that these two images have been selected as duplicates. You go inside real plan, you can see that they have been able to give like a music mode, duration, and like closed caption that matches the event. And then they have given like photos, which photo should come first, and which one should come second, which one should come third. It has also explained like what the photo is about. And then finally, this is the Ask Agent, where you can use natural language to ask questions like which photos are blurry, do I have duplicates,